Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 11:15 in Honolulu, 5:15 in New York. It is Monday, 30th day of October, 2017, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Now for a second day in a row, we do have higher pricing in the precious metals, with gold and silver both trading higher. And today we also had the US dollar under pressure. Gold closed up about $5.60 to settle at $12.7740, with silver closing under $17 at $16.85, and approximately a 0.5% decline in the dollar index as it traded and broke below 95 to settle at 94.37, down 45 points on the day. Now, for a second day in a row, we do have higher gold pricing. We currently are charting gold futures basis most active December's contract up about $5.10, currently fixed at $12.7690. This, of course, as we said, is the second day in a row that we have seen higher pricing in gold, both on Friday as well as today. However, what is more impressive to me than the fact that we have seen gold rise for 2 days in a row is the fact that recent lows that were obtained on Friday match pretty much precisely with the low that was achieved back around the first week of October, when gold had just completed a dramatic sell-off in which the market came down from $13.63 and touched on these lows of $12.63, roughly a $100 decline, but also a 61% retracement of the rally that had come before it, which really resulted in a $163 gain when gold traded from $1,200 and topped out at $13.63. And traders, whether or not gold continues to trade higher and we are in fact looking at a bottom, what we can say is that this is what we would need to see for there to be good support in the market and for a double bottom to occur and higher prices to follow. In other words, this is the exact scenario we would look for higher pricing and support in gold. And traders, silver is also tracking higher on the day, gaining about 0.6%, currently trading at $16.86. Although it's still below $17, it is showing some nice upside moves. And as we talked about on Friday, it has broken and traded above a 50% retracement. This is a rather long retracement starting from July, which is the same place we start our gold rally from, culminating at $18.30 back in September. In terms of our current area of support, we are pegging that at the price area of $16.75, and that is the 50% retracement. And we're also looking at resistance in silver as it currently stands at 17, and then major resistance at about 17.10. We can see that with these series of tops right in here. We can also see that this was a mark that it broke above and then broke back below rather quickly. And traders, today's action in the precious metals markets and higher pricing is largely due to the fact that we have seen some weakness in the dollar. We're looking at a daily dollar chart, this of course in bar format. We can see that it actually tracked over 95 on the dollar index on Friday, but today opened well below that and closed below 94.50, currently trading on the lows at 94.35. Now traders, this month's FOMC meeting will begin tomorrow and conclude on Wednesday. We also have some important numbers coming out at the end of the week, along with a potential nomination of the next Fed chairperson, and that could also happen this week. So we've got a lot of events that will certainly affect gold pricing. Inasmuch as we have been flat in this market, the fact that this double bottom has now held is giving us an indication that we will see higher pricing in gold. And if that is the case, and we can break above 1282, which is really the mark that I'm looking at right now as a solid indication that this bottom is in fact a double bottom, we will look to initiate long positions in gold and possibly silver. For now, we are flat as we await some news that will emerge from the market and see how gold reacts over the next couple of days. Whether or not we will see higher pricing throughout the week in gold is something that we'll know as it unfolds. But the fact of the matter is we have identified a double bottom, and this is the necessary technical indications that we would need to see to verify on a technical basis that a bottom had been achieved and higher pricing was ahead. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review.